Well, in this video, then, we are going to compress the gas in the outdoor unit. We will close the fine pipe as usual, and we will let the gas be absorbed by the suction pipe, the gas pipe. We close the liquid pipe. This is not high or low pressure. This is liquid and gas. We close the liquid pipe. We wait for the gas to be compressed and we close. Perfect. Now we are ready to turn off the equipment. So, the gas compression is done as in any conventional equipment, only that you do not let the compressor work for a long time with the pipes closed, because remember that all this overheats the IPM, so pay attention to that detail no more. But after that, the compression is the same as in any system. Please leave a comment if you have any questions.